How to transfer Sweatcoin money to Cash App. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Sweatcoin. Enter your login credential and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now what you want to do is simply head over to shop icon at the bottom and then scroll all the way down. You need to scroll down until you see the section of Rewards Hub. In here you can see it says $200 Cash App voucher. All you want to do is click on it. Well, over here you can see it says it will expire in 9 days. So before 9 days, what you want to do is at the bottom you can see swipe to buy for free. All you want to do is swipe this and then click on confirm for free. Well, $200 Cash App voucher has been purchased for free. Now all you have to do is click on go to website and use the code. After that you have to complete some of the tasks. And once it has been done, you will be getting a coupon codes or that money which you can redeem from Cash App. So this is the only way in order to transfer Sweatcoin's money to Cash App. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.